Just a phenomenal way to start the second half. Breaks off to lift off in just 8 seconds. Breaks off to 35,000 feet and a speed of Mach 1.5 in just 2.5 minutes. So an aircraft capable of excessive G-forces from -3G right up to +9. A maximum altitude in the region of 55,000 feet. You're going to see the full power and capability of the Royal Air Force frontline right in front of you in just the next couple of minutes. So hang on to your hats, make sure you've got everybody together, and everybody that's got sensitive ears, well, I suggest you make preparations for what is a very exhilarating and thoroughly, immensely professional performance coming from Torbay here today. So got outstanding performance, powered by two Eurojet EJ200 reheated turbofan engines, each generation 20,000 pounds of thrust. It's got exceptional acceleration, instantaneous and sustained turnaround, and its power allows for supersonic performance without the need for reheat. It is a phenomenal display. We've seen it before, and each pilot, just like that, a little tweak. Here he is, coming in there from Torbay right at 600 knots. It's giving him, I know, immense pleasure to bring this display to you today. Breaking away in the first of his many 9G turns. And remember, that is 9 times your body weight.
Now, Torbay.
Back into what he calls a double corkscrew. Leaving the reheating gauge there, you can see all that power coming out the back end of the Typhoon. During this turn, he'll be pulling yet another 9G. You're all weighing 1G out there a moment, just standing up. Imagine increasing that to 9 times. You will be pushed into the tarmac.
Look, going
back
up
now.
Wow.
Putting up into the first loop of this year's display. Again, for a jet of this size and power, it all operates in a remarkably small piece of airspace. Taking a good look at you from the underside. And sporting now this wonderful D-Day 18 seen in the skies on D-Day 690. Going away from you now in a barrel roll. You'll be repositioning for another fast pass. So keep your hats on, as I say again, as he takes the throttles out of reheat just to slow the jet down to beyond going over 600 knots, because that's the speed limit here. Otherwise he'll go supersonic. Here we go. That's what 600 knots look like. Giving you all a wave of jet noise as he pulls around there at the far end. Setting up now to
here they are. They're coming.
9G turn.
9G turn.
Assisted, of course, by his full body G suit and pressure breathing into some aileron rolls.
How many times it rolling?
Just taking the power back off there for a moment, using all the energy.
Like a thunder. It's a thunder one.
Slowing the jet down a little bit. Its performance across the speed range is absolutely extraordinary. Just look at that stunning, slow, absolutely outstanding. D-Day 80 years ago, Denzel Jenkins would have been flying his Hawker Typhoon over Normandy in the role of fighter bomber, the first aircraft to truly claim that title.